Opposition leader Nelsonchamisa has accused the government of pouring vast resources into what he claims are coordinated efforts to destroy him. Instead of addressing Zimbabwe's pressing social and economic challenges, Rabina Mashokuda Pangwa even Chamisa and Mnangagwa for wasting state money to destroy him. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Also, Chamisa Ame Pangwa even in a strongly worded post on X Friday, Chamisa said the ruling elite had made him their prime target, investing so much money, cars, and much more into hard-tech jobs and security structures designed to undermine his political relevance. Rethink your priorities. So much money has been invested, wasted, pumped into destroying one individual. This is not Chamisa, but then it didn't work. It's not working and it will not work, Chamisa wrote. The former citizen coalition continued to persecute and beat the party earlier last year, citing infiltration by state-linked groups, suggested that shadowy organizations such as the controversial Forever Associates of Zimbabwe PAS were being involved at levels surpassing allocations to certain key ministries and essential priorities. How much money is being put to the spoof and nefarious organizations like us? How much has been dedicated to hard-tech jobs and wicked schemes to corrupt, manipulate, and contaminate elections? Chamisa asked. The outspoken politician, who has repeatedly claimed the electoral playing field is tilted against him, framed alleged spreading spree as evidence of misplaced national priorities. More money has been allocated to destroy and rebuild. Even more money is set aside just to decimate one person than is allocated to certain key ministries and essential priorities, he said. Chamisa's remarks come amid growing criticism of government spending priorities, particularly the ballooning defense and security budgets, at a time when hospitals, schools, and social safety nets are underfunded. Roma Shukaruka Pangwa ine nelsonchamisa achiudza aiwa omwana weZanupf kuti varuya vachispenda mari usiku instead of spending money develop the nation. They are spending money just to destroy one person. Ize mafundo enyu motode pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakuronza muchemeni subscribe or like that on the bell icon.